Everyone, welcome back to Zenova, and in this video I'd like to introduce you to a new module that we've integrated into the Zenova web platform. It is called Stock Sentiment. You launch Stock Sentiment up here on the navigation bar. Once it is launched, you'll see it below here. You have three levers that you can use to look at either positive, neutral, or negative sentiment. Sentiment is calculated by us using machine learning model, and we use over 3,000 news feeds, which also use social media feeds to calculate sentiment. Once you've selected a lever and you hit refresh, those stocks will load below in the grid, and you can see in this column all the sentiment readings for those stocks. 0% is basically neutral. Anything higher than that is positive. Anything below that is going to be negative sentiment. Now, besides getting all these stocks, you also get all the readings for forecasting for price and alpha of each individual stock. You get a bunch of tear sheets that you can look at for each individual stock. You get health reports that you can generate on all sorts of statistics and company info on each stock. And you get over 200 different types of charts that you can select on each one of these stocks. So in this case, if I wanted to look at a sentiment chart, just select it, and there it is. You'll get the chart that will fill in, and below that you'll get all the stocks that are basically performing in such a way that the chart is active for them besides the one that you're querying. So in other words, I'm querying this stock here, but this one also has the same characteristics, Allstate, as the one that I'm actually querying. Now, as you scroll across in the grid, you will also see all the output for the individual stocks, and you'll see another sentiment chart here. So if I look at Apple, you'll see this sentiment chart where it's been positive or negative, or if there's nothing here, meaning neutral, each day over this time period for the chart for Apple. Accuracy charts, how accurate the model's been. So if I look at, in this case, Apple out to, let's say, 26 weeks, I can see out to 180 days. Historically, the model's had about a 90.46% accuracy rate, 6 months out. As you get shorter term, you'll see that accuracy improve dramatically sometimes. Here you can see that roughly 30 days out, it's had an accuracy rate of 97.77%. So it's quite easy to use stock sentiment, and all you need to do again is select when you first come in here what you want to see. So if I want to see negative sentiment, select it, refresh, and there's all the stocks with negative sentiment. This is updated every single day. If I want to create a portfolio of any of these stocks that show up, I simply select export, name my portfolio, and say yes. And then that portfolio will become a watch list or an actual portfolio if I do any trades in those stocks in the stock portfolio. Hope you're going to enjoy this new feature in the Zenova platform. It is very, very powerful, and the method that we use to calculate stock sentiment is extremely robust and gives, hopefully, an edge in the market for you. Thank you.